This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Campbell. Great brick home west/very desirable floor plan. Main level offers living room, dining room, study/office, large family room west/fireplace and is open to spacious renovated kitchen, which features Sub Zero Refrigerator, top of the line appliances, Asko dishwasher, Quartz countertops. All 4-bedroom on upper level. 2.5 baths and 21 by 23 bonus room. Car garage. Community swimming pool and tennis courts. HVAC 3 years hot water heater. For more information, review the details below or contact Campbell at 865-584-4000.